Hi guys, my name is Nishant and I chose the topic Li-Fi for my news presentation. And before going into this topic, I want to ask a question from you guys. Do you guys know anything about Li-Fi? Actually, I don't know anything about Li-Fi. I heard this term from Mobile World Congress held in the last week of June 2021. And I thought that this would be a great topic for me to discuss with you guys. So you guys might be wondering that what is Li-Fi? Li-Fi is a wireless communication technology which utilizes light to transmit data and position between devices. In technical terms, we can say that Li-Fi is a light communication system that is capable of transmitting data at high speeds over the visible light, ultraviolet and infrared spectrums. In terms of its end use, the technology is similar to Wi-Fi, or you can say radio frequency communication. But radio frequency communication requires radio circuits, antennas, and complex receivers, whereas Li-Fi is much simpler and uses direct modulation methods similar to those used in low-cost infrared communication devices such as remote control units. LED light bulbs have high intensities and therefore can achieve very large data rates. In terms There are many challenges with the Wi-Fi, or you can say the technology that uses radio frequencies, such as security, reliability, localization, interference, latency rate, and speed and bandwidth. In terms of security, Li-Fi enables additional control as Li-Fi offers precise localization for asset tracking and user authentication. And in terms of reliability, Li-Fi is more reliable as it enables interference-free communications, which dramatically improves the user experience. And Li-Fi is fully networked, and each Li-Fi enabled light as a unique IP address, which means advanced geofencing can be deployed simply in a Li-Fi network. And moreover, radio frequencies are vulnerable to interferences from a wide range of devices such as cordless phones, microwaves, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks. Li-Fi signals can be defined by the area of illumination, which means interference is much simpler to avoid and even stop altogether. This also means Li-Fi can be used in radio frequencies hostile zones such as hospitals, power plants, and aeroplanes. Interestingly, Li-Fi has a low latency than Wi-Fi. Li-Fi currently offers latency by a factor of 3 times lower than Wi-Fi. And moreover, Li-Fi can deliver multiple Gbps speeds in mobile devices. The next generation technology will drive wireless beyond any current capability, opening up to an unprecedented bandwidth. There are various applications of Li-Fi such as smart homes. No longer will home users need to worry about the man in the middle attacks, as they can simply draw the curtains and shut their doors to secure the Li-Fi network. It also plays an important role in enterprise wireless solution, as Li-Fi networks for daily work, conferences, streaming, remote desktops, along with video can provide an enhanced user experience with the confidence of robust security. The directionality of light propagation can effectively reduce interference in heavily populated office. Wireless offloading to Li-Fi releases spectrum for connecting other devices. And for the gamers, virtual and augmented reality, Li-Fi offers fast speed, low latency and interference-free wireless communication that helps overcome technological challenges, allowing VR and AR products to become wire-free and reliable. And the inherent security advantages of using light for wireless communication allow companies to enhance security for their wireless network significant. The ability to strictly define the communication area of a Li-Fi access point allows precise partitioning of the office environment. In addition, the technology required proprietary hardware before anyone can access the system. So it makes communication secure. Moreover, Li-Fi can enable reliable real-time monitoring without adding to the interference management issues with radio frequencies in industries environment. Now certain questions may arise such as how does Li-Fi work when you turn off the lights? So If all the power to a light is turned off, then there is no Li-Fi. However, Li-Fi technology can be enabled to a dim low enough that the room will appear dark and still transmit data. There is a consistent performance between 10 and 90% illumination, and depressingly, Li-Fi doesn't work in your pocket unless you wear a transparent suit. So you have to wear a transparent suit if you want your Li-Fi to work. But if you don't want to wear a transparent suit, so you have an option of radio system or cellular networks, if available, will continue to deliver data, but Wi-Fi will not work in your pocket. And we may have a question that will Wi-Fi work in a bright room with sunlight? Yes, it will work even in direct sunlight conditions because modulated light can still be detected. And moreover, Wi-Fi relies on detecting the fast changes in the light intensity, not on the absolute or slowly varying changes caused by natural disruptions in daylight or sunlight. As Wi-Fi technology modulates the light at very high rates, and sunlight is constant light and therefore cannot be filtered out at the receiver. Thank you so much guys for seeing my presentation, and please give me feedback so that I can improve further in my future presentation or anything else. Thank you so much.